Lancer, known as the Bone, the B-1E, the low-level strategic striker, with a speed, a maximum speed of over 1.2 times the speed of sound, with a swept wing that will go from its outward position at 137 feet of sweep to the swept wing to 78 feet of wingspan and powered by 4 General Electric F101 turbofan engines. Each one generates 30,000 pounds of thrust. I give you, ladies and gentlemen, the B-1 Bomber. Blue glow is that's the hottest afterburner flame in all of the armed services right there. That's raw jet fuel being poured into the exhaust. The pilot of the aircraft has now adjusted the wing sweep and swept it back to the delta wing configuration that allows it to travel at extremely high speeds. Like I said, 1.2 times the speed of sound, although typically it keeps it below the speed of sound. We won't see any speed of sound or sonic booms around here because it would set off every car alarm in the neighborhood. The 137-foot forward swept position of those wings that we saw as it first went by is actually longer than the Wright brothers' first flight on December 17, 1903.